When solving literal equations, notice that there's a lot of variables and not that many numbers. So in our cases, there's no numbers, there's just a bunch of variables. But how we solve these is the same way that we would solve other equations. We just can't combine like terms because there's not any like terms. So our first example, we've got solve for y. R plus sy equals t. So I'm trying to get everything away from my y. To do so, I'm going to subtract r from both sides. So I'm left with sy equals t minus r. I can't combine my t and my r. They're not the same term. They're not like terms. So it's just left with t minus r. And then I need to get rid of this s. So sy is really s times y. So I can divide both sides by s to get my y by itself. And I'm left with t minus r divided by s. So I successfully solved for y. Let's look at another example. In this case, I want to solve for m. So I've got y equals m divided by x minus b. So get your m all by itself. I'm going to add b to both sides. So I've got y plus b equals m divided by x. To get my m by itself in this case, I need to multiply both sides by x. So I'm going to multiply, and I'm going to put parentheses around my y plus b. So multiply both sides by x. So I get x times the quantity, y plus b, equals m. I have to have these parentheses here because I'm multiplying each side by x. So it's not just the y I'm multiplying by x, it's that entire side of my equation. You could distribute this out if you wanted to get xy plus xb equals m. I would take that as well. Just depends on how you want it to look. So either of those would work. If you guys have any questions on solving literal equations, please let me know.